It is really hot out here. I'm gonna have to find a pull off. Oh man, I gotta stop. Yeah, alright, here's a place. There we go. Oh, that looks good. Oh, come on, cars. Oh, I'm about to go down. Alright. Whew. Oh, look at that shade under the tree. Oh, I'm gonna go into the shade. Oh, yeah. Oh, so much better. How good. Hey friends, just getting set up, about to go hit the road. Man, it's pretty out here. If you can't tell already, this is a voiceover because Dad's an idiot. I had my microphone plugged into line out instead of line in. So, yeah, we're just gonna voice over this whole frickin' thing, I guess. What can you do? Yep, got the car. Now we're off. Here we go. Going down the road with my man boobies just in full swing. Yeah, I'm watching my footage and giving a commentary. Anyway, we're gonna go right here. I miss you guys. How about you you give me one of them subscribes if you haven't already. Maybe a like. And maybe a comment. I like the comments. Comments are fun. Anyway, today we're going, or did go, we went fishing. But not your regular type of fishing. We went magnet fishing. It's basically where you just throw a magnet in the water and see what you can pull up. God, it's pretty, isn't it? You guys have only seen me in the winter. Now we're full swing summer. It's 90 degrees today. I feel like I'm talking like a radio host. If you think I could be a radio host, leave it in the comments below. If you think I should shut up because I'm drunk, which I am, leave it in the comments below! Look at these cars. They ain't motorcycles. I'm a motorcycle. Green. Ah, I want to be on my motorcycle again. Look how cool I look. And the hills and the green. We're going to turn here. And go fishing. I'll see you at that clip. Hold on, wait. Look, I go off-roading. There's a guy. I had to wait till he left because he'd be like, hey, what are you doing? You can't jump in there. And I'd be like, hey, old guy, fuck off. Or something. Off-road. Woo, we've been friends. Neat. All right, well, next clip, next scene. Okay. All right, we are at the spot. And magnet fishing is, well, it's exactly what it sounds like. You go fishing with a magnet. This was my 300-pound pull magnet. And you usually just pull up a bunch of hooks and sharp things, so you make sure you have some cut-resistant gloves, because you'll get stuck. And then a container to bring, put all your stuff in, so you don't just throw it back in the water for someone to get hooked on or whatever. Take all the garbage home and dispose of it. Or there's a trash can right over there. I'll dispose of it over there. Oh, we got all naughty. That's okay. I don't need much. Actually, yeah, I'm going to try to go far because the real treasure is going to be out there.
You ain't gonna find buried pirate treasure right at the dock. That's too easy. They're gonna make you wait for it, or work for it. They're gonna make you work for it. It got stuck in under my foot. Alright, let's try not to get stuck under my foot again, huh? Man. Nothing yet. That's okay. It is such a really nice day. Ooh, there's a bobber. It's a father bobber. Somebody lost their bobber father. Fräulein, Fräulein. Buried treasure, come on. You never really find anything fun. It's just kind of fun to be here. Ooh, there's a crane. You can't see the crane. There's a crane out there. Ooh, I got something. It's a stick. Maybe I'll go right under the dock. Let's try that. We'll just whoop. Is it a murder weapon? Oh no! We got stuck to the dock. Now once this thing sticks on something solid, it's hard to get off because it's a 300-pound pool magnet. So you really got to work for it. Damn it. I almost lost it on a ship once. I got it stuck on the side of a ship. Yeah. Come on, you! Leverage. And then we're gonna get stuck to this pole. Yeah. Damn. Well, I got something. The whole dock. Yeah, there we go. Did I get anything? No. I'm sweating. I hear motorcycles. Oh. Oh. Well, there ain't nothing here. It's not a very good spot, is it? Oh well. I got sweat in my eye. I should just jump in the water. It's hot. I ain't catching nothing. Daddy's going swimming. I just had to get back in because I forgot my hat out there. I just swim like it floated really far away. And I thought I hit record, but I didn't hit record. I ain't doing it again. That's nasty. Look at the shit sticking up. My hat was yonder. Look how pretty it is though. How fun was that? You got to see me go magnet fishing and catch, man, caught everything. I caught a stick. I caught the dock. I'm gonna have to, we're gonna do more magnet fishing videos, but they're gonna be more exciting. I'm gonna find me a murder weapon or pirate treasure or something. There's the actual river on my right. And then This is that scenic overlook I pull off on sometimes. But now we're gonna head on up the hill. I'm on a. This is a separate day from when I did the voiceover the last time. This is the next day. I had to drink more beer so I could do this because I'm not good at this. Talking and stuff. I'm good at riding my motorcycle. I should voice over all of them because I suck at talking when I'm riding my bike because I haven't had beers, but now I've had beers and it's coming a lot easier. Hold on, let me take a sip here. Hold on. Oh, that's good. That's good stuff there. Look how beautiful and green everything is. Welcome to Kentucky. If anyone wants to come see Kentucky, I'll take you on some roads now. I'll tell you, I'll take you, and we'll do a little partying. Not really. I don't party. I just drink beer at night in my basement. Anyway, though, there's not much more to this video. I'm just riding up this hill. I'm gonna stop at a gas station, get me a Coca-Cola. That's my drink of choice, and head on home from there. Actually, I met up with the Flinch MotoVlog. I'll put his info up here. After this, I met up with him. We went to Quaker, had a couple drinks, and rode around, and we'll be working together real soon. Solid guy. We actually have a lot of mutual friends. I never realized it until a couple days ago. Anyway, I love you all. Thanks for watching. If you're still watching, I freaking love you. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. Give me a like. Leave a comment. I love interacting with everybody. Follow me on the Instagrams. I'll put that here. And y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day. I just love all of you. I can't wait to share all of my adventures this summer with you. It is hot father summer, and we are not stopping. I'll tell you what. It's like Miley Cyrus. We can't stop, and we won't stop. I'm pretty sure that sounds just like her. We can't stop, and we won't stop. Oh yeah. I'm going platinum. Alright guys, I'm going to cut it. I love y'all. See you next time.